Hello guys, what do I have for you today? This sign, it's not just a empty thing today, it's about this. This beast was born in collaboration Porsche and Mercedes-Benz. Porsche was in pretty bad financial situation and they helped Mercedes-Benz to build this beast, to assemble it, to fit this M119 inside of the mid-size sedan and make it all work. So this is true competitor of BMW M5, and actually this is a very good competitor. The car is heavy. When you're driving it, it's pretty heavy vehicle. It has different fenders. They're way wider than the usual E320. You definitely can tell. And the rear one. Look at that thing. It has different interior details. For example, rear seats, they are splitted. They have a little convenience pockets wrapped in leather, by the way. This thing has a beautiful partition, and other than that, I wouldn't say this is the way different car. Many of people who see that car, they probably never gonna tell that it's special, but it is. Wider tires, actually all the parts on this car, they are way special. For example, headlights, they are different. This is facelift version. That's why they're a little bit different, with a little window in the middle. Even rear view mirrors are different. The front seats are different. It's a perforated leather. Different steering wheel. It's a walnut. And here is the beast. Rear suspension. It's a SLS suspension with the hydraulic shocks at the back, and they are special to this model. Right now in 2025 you can find only aftermarket sash, and actually there is a couple of offers on the eBay, and each one gonna be about $1,500. So this car is special. I would say to own this car in 2025, enjoy it. It's a big deal. All right. This example has only 56,000 miles. It is clean car with a good history. The main thing, it is all original paint from Mercedes-Benz of this era. Never been painted. This is an amazing vehicle. Originally, these inserts in the bumper supposed to be black, but I would say it's the first thing to do. If you buy in this thing, you gotta repaint it in the body color. The version before facelift is actually more powerful. This thing has 326 horsepower compared to 320 facelift version. Look at these lines. Look at these lines. My God. And let's drive it. You can tell 56,000 original miles. Look at the interior. Here is window switches. Here is the heated seats, climate control. In the US versions they always have this climate control. Europe versions they have a different layout sometimes. There is a snow tires, snow chains. There's a rear shade. There's a rear window heater. There's a air recirculation, closed contour, the shades, and actually this is it. Not many options compared to today's cars. Here is the, again, light control and handbrake. Okay, let's drive it. Okay, let's do the little test drive. All right. AC is working, 56,000 original miles. Yeah, I put it in a lower position. First, what you can tell, this is the heavy car. Rumbling V8. And you definitely can tell this is the stiffer suspension compared to E320, which feels like a lighter vehicle. This one definitely brings a little bit more sportier drive. This is a super nice car. And steering wheel is heavy. It's not that Mercedes feel like you can spin it with one finger. No, this one is definitely the beast. You can tell. And my best recommendation for this cars, lovers, for Mercedes-Benz collectors, if you don't have one, you gotta buy one, because it's gonna go up in the value no matter what. It's not just a regular Mercedes-Benz. There is two legends were involved, Porsche and Mercedes-Benz. That's why it feels special. The parts for this vehicle, it's hard to find. As I told you, a rear shocks is about $3,000 or $4,000 new, if you can buy it. So it's definitely not daily driver. In US, I don't know no one company who can truly rebuild these things. There are some in Europe and some variations in Russia too, but definitely not in US. Other than that, it feels special, absolutely. When you're driving it, especially in this color combination, which is tan on green with tan interior, it's definitely want to look and buy, especially with the original color, with the original paint coating, which is absolutely impossible to find. That's why, guys, I'm specialized on these vehicles, rare collectors items. So if you're interested in one, I can help you with the best connections all over the world, in Japan, in Europe, and in US. So we're gonna find for you no matter what. Alright guys, I guess this is it. Sorry for a little bit boring review, but it's the way I am doing it. So let me know if you like this vehicle, if you like my reviews, you want to see more. I have to be a little bit more motivated, I know. Thank you for watching. Wish you a wonderful day.